In this video, I will go through the general structures of the different modules within the platform. So as you open the platform, you will notice that on the left-hand side, we have a menu panel that contains the different modules within the platform. For most modules, we will have a subdivision into further submodules. So for example, in the case of clustering, we have samples and a feature submodule. Selecting a specific submodules, in this case sample, will open the corresponding page. So you can see that cluster samples is further subdivided into 3 different topic areas: heat map, PCA, TSNE, and parallel. So the middle panel will show you the actual plots and tables related to, in this case, the heat map topic. Finally, on the right hand side, you can see a settings panel. These are general settings that will be applicable to all the plots and tables shown within a specific topic area, so in this case heat map. And if we switch to a different topic area, so in this case TPCA TSNE, you will see that we'll have a different settings panel that will show up with different options that you can use to manipulate your plots and tables. Now if we look at specific plots, so in this case let's look at the clustered heat map plot, you will see that there are 4 icons here. Let's ignore this for the moment. So these 4 icons will be present in most of the plots and tables you see in the platform. So you can see them here as well and here as well, except for the 3 horizontal lines. So I stands for information and will provide you with a more detailed description of what each plot and table represents. The 3 horizontal lines are settings specific only to the plot or table that you are looking at within a given topic area. So in this case, these apply only to the clustered heat map, whereas these settings apply only to the functional annotation of the gene modules. Next, we have the download icon. So from this icon, you can select how, in which format you want to download your tables or plots. For plots, we offer 3 options. You can download the plot as a PNG file, as a PDF file, and if you choose PDF file, you can also select the width and height of the plot. And if you select CSV, on the other hand, you will be able to download the raw data that was used to produce a specific plot, in case you want to further customize, in this case, your heat map by running your own pipelines. For tables like this one, you have the options of downloading the results as a CSV file that you can then work with your own pipelines if you so wish, or just store it for your own analysis or your publications as supplementary material and so on. The last icon refers to zooming. That's pretty straightforward. It's just the ability of zooming in and out of a specific plot to see it in a magnified version. For example, when you are doing a presentations or you just want to look more in details at specific aspects of each plot or table. Now, as I mentioned, there are 2 extra options in this cluster heat map. Now, this is generally not the case. In most cases, you will only have these 4 icons. Here we have 2 additional icons which allow you to switch, in this case, between a dynamic heat map and a static heat map. So as I say, this is more like a special option. Finally, something that you might have noticed as I was mousing over is that for some of the interactive plots, you also have some extra options, and in particular you have an editor that allows you to further edit your plots. This is now the current version of the plot editor, but this is likely to change in future versions of the platform. So this is a quick introduction on how you can interact with most of the modules and individual plots and tables within the platform, either both at a plot or table specific way, or using the settings menu, accessing some, in this case, topic-wide options that you can alter.